Hey, what's going on guys? In this video, we are going to unbox the new entry-level device from Realme, which is the Realme C3. Getting hands on this device was a great struggle in itself, so I would be delighted if you watch this video till the end. The price of this phone is going to be around $100 US. By the end, you will know all the pros and cons of this device, so stay tuned. The device comes in this box which says C3 and it also have this badge saying #1 quality smartphone brand. And some info about the device is mentioned here. On the back, we can see that we have this blazing red variant here. Let us see what's inside. First up in the box, we are greeted with a SIM ejector pin along with some paperwork. And then we get the phone itself, which highlights that it has a dedicated micro SD card slot along with the dual SIM cards. Let's open this and have a quick look. To be honest, this phone doesn't look like a $100 phone. Moving further in the box, we get the standard old age micro USB cable, and lastly we get a 10 watts of normal charger. Though the company claims that it supports 18 watts of fast charging, but that's what you get with a $100 phone. On the right hand side of the device, we get the power key. On the left hand side, we get the dual SIM card tray with a dedicated micro SD card slot and a volume rockers. Moving at the bottom of the device, we can see the speaker grill, the micro USB port, the primary microphone, and the most anticipated headphone jack. Talking about the screen, we have a 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS LCD panel here with a screen resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels with a mini drop notch for the front-facing camera. Yes, that is what Realme is calling its water drop notch. The screen here has a 90% screen-to-body ratio and a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, which is all covered in Gorilla Glass 3. As far as the specs are concerned, this is the first device to come with MediaTek Helio G70 chipset based on 12nm technology, which results in excellent gaming performance, along with the Mali G52 GPU, which is paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of UFS 2.0 storage. Fun fact, clicking the like button is absolutely free of cost. Talking about the biometrics, you unfortunately do not get any fingerprint scanner on this device, but you do get a quick face unlock. Moving to the back of the device, we can see Realme mentioned here, and above that we have the optics, which is a dual camera setup consisting of a 12-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. We get a 5-megapixel camera on the front with an f2.4 aperture, which is decent but nothing special here. I'll also be doing a full review of this camera, so stay tuned by subscribing and also enable the notifications so you get to know when I upload it. Apart from that, the battery here is also one of the big highlights. It is a massive 5000 mAh of battery. The phone comes with 18 watts of fast charging, which will be good to charge that hefty battery. The battery is big enough to keep you going for a full day or even more. The phone features the cool new Realme UI on top of Android 10, so you will be good to go at least for a year or two. Coming to the pros of this device, you can get excellent gaming performance here, courtesy of the new chipset. The 5000 mAh of hefty battery is big enough to keep you going for a full day or even more. You do get a 3.5mm headphone jack, which comes in handy. You get Android 10 out of the box, which is always good to have, and of course the $100 price point. Coming to the cons of this device, the camera bump becomes annoying sometimes. The speakers here are not that good and can get blocked easily by anything. Another downside here is the back of the device is made from plastic, making it feel a bit less premium, which can be a deal breaker for some. Speaking overall, this phone is definitely one of the best entry-level devices to consider while buying a new phone with a $100 budget. So feel free to tell me what do you think of this phone in the comment section below, and also subscribe to my channel and enable the notifications so you get to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.